Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Με λένε Στάλο. The Greek verb χάνω is a very interesting verb. It's a completely regular verb. It's both transitive and intransitive. I will explain in a minute. It can be translated into English in several different ways. And it's used in countless expressions. The verb χάνω has three main meanings. Number one, it means to lose. Number two, it means to miss. And number three, it means to waste. Let's look at some examples with number one. Πάντα χάνω τα κλειδιά μου. I always lose my keys. Θέλουν να χάσουν βάρος. They want to lose weight. Η ομάδα μου έχασε. My team lost. Δεν μου αρέσει να χάνω. I don't like to lose. Do you notice anything different between these two sentences and these two sentences? Well, in these two sentences, the verb has a direct object. I always lose my keys. What do I lose? My keys. This is a direct object. Τα κλειδιά μου. Also here, they want to lose weight. What do they want to lose? Weight. This is a direct object. Βάρος. So in these two sentences, the action of the verb χάνω and να χάσουν is transferred to someone or something else, which is the direct object. We say that the verb is transitive. But in these two sentences, the action of the verb is not transferred anywhere. The verb here has no direct object. It stands alone. We say that the verb is intransitive. Now let's move on to the second meaning. Θα χάσω το λεωφορείο πάλι. I will miss the bus again. Χάσαμε τη συναυλία ψες. We missed the concert last night. Έχασα μια καλή ευκαιρία. I missed a good opportunity. But we have to be careful when we want to translate the verb to miss into Greek. It can be translated as χάνω, but also as μου λείπει or μου λείπουν and πεθυμώ. So if we want to say, I don't have all the ingredients for a cake, I'm missing the eggs. Δεν έχω όλα τα υλικά για cake. Μου λείπουν τα αυγά. We are not going to use the verb χάνω, but the verb μου λείπουν. Μου λείπουν τα αυγά. If we use the verb χάνω instead of the correct μου λείπουν, the meaning will change. It will mean I'm losing the eggs. Another example, I miss my friends. I haven't seen them in a long time and I miss them. I want to see them. We have to use the verb μου λείπουν. Μου λείπουν οι φίλες μου. Or the verb πεθυμώ. Πεθυμώ τις φίλες μου. If we use the verb χάνω, χάνω τις φίλες μου, the meaning is completely different. It means I'm losing my friends. The third meaning of χάνω is to waste. Χάνω τον καιρό μου. I'm wasting my time. Μην χάνεις τον χρόνο σου. Don't waste your time. So you can use either the word καιρός or the word χρόνος. Here also we have to be careful. The verb waste can be translated as χάνω, but also as σπαταλώ. So if we want to say we should not waste the water, we will use the verb σπαταλώ. Δεν πρέπει να σπαταλούμε το νερό. Another example, don't waste your time. Μην σπαταλάς τον χρόνο σου. In this case, we can also use the verb χάνω. Μην χάνεις τον χρόνο σου. This is the same example as the one we saw before. The verb χάνω is used in many expressions. In some cases, it's used the same way as in English. For example, χάνω το μυαλό μου. I lose my mind. Χάνω τον ύπνο μου. I lose my sleep. Χάνω το μωρό. I lose the baby, referring to a miscarriage. Χάνω τους γονείς μου. I lose my parents, referring to death. This is a nice expression. Χάνω τα νερά μου. I'm out of my element. I'm uncomfortable in a particular situation. And another nice expression. Χάνω τον μπούσουλα. I'm confused. I'm disoriented. Ο μπούσουλας is the compass. The Greek word is η πηξίδα. Bússolas is from the Italian word bussola, which means compass. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.